Okay, in this video, we're going to go through the homework and how to navigate it. So we're going to click into 2.1 and take a look. Now I'm going to tell you, if you've used the MOER system, this may look different than you've seen it before. So pay attention, because there's a whole bunch of new stuff. We got an upgrade. So in here, you're going to see we have options how we display it. It could be one question at a time or the entire assignment. And so right now, this is the entire assignment. So you can scroll down and see every problem that needs to be done. You can also see in the top right hand corner, if you would like to print them, you can do this. And now it gives you a printed version where you can hide the intro in between, or if there's other things, hide the questions. Well, that doesn't make a lot of sense. So you can see nothing. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, so you can say print and have it print out a very nice version for you to do on paper. So back to the assignment. In here, every problem has some options. Sometimes there is a video to watch. This will be somebody walking you through this problem or a problem similar to it, or maybe just a skill that you might need to use to solve this problem. So don't always assume this video will tell you how to do this problem, but it should be relevant. Now, there's the message instructor. If you need help on the problem, you click this, and you'll see it sends me the question, the number, and what section it came out of, and a copy of your question. So you don't have to worry about telling me much of anything other than this is my work. And how do I want you to show me your work? With a picture. Just go in here, grab the picture, drop it in, upload a picture of your work to me. Say upload, send. That's pretty much all I need from you. And you can go back to work on your problems. All right. Then last but not least, post a forum. There are forums available to you to use to interact with each other. So if you want to work on it and you want help or you want to work as a team, please use the forum. That's what this is math. It is not it's not a test. It's a homework. Work together. Just don't do it for each other. Help each other learn. So these are your options there. Now, going up to the right-hand corner, you'll see we have the score. Right now I have a 0 out of 1. I have 3 more tries on this version of the question, and I can make 98 similar versions of this same problem. So let's get it wrong. All right, now you'll notice when I click in here, we now have the ability to make it look exactly how it looks on our paper, nice and pretty. So let's say on my paper I had x plus 4 divided by, oh, well, shucks, that's not going to work. So what can I do? Well, I click the fraction bar. X plus 4 over x squared minus x. Let's just say that's what we said for our answer. Now, you can tell the system saying this answer makes no sense for this problem, and so it's giving me a syntax incomplete error. And we'll just go with it. We'll say submit. Oh, I got it wrong. As you notice, we have a red X. Now, if I click this right now, it's just going to regenerate and give me a brand new version of the problem. That's not what we want. I want to try again. I say, oh, wait. It wants the average rate of change. Oh, now I know what to do. That answer is 9. So I hit submit. Shucks, I got it wrong again. So I'm going to try one more time. I think that average rate of change is 0. Wrong again. I've used up all my tries. So now, do you see I have a little answer key here? When I click that, oh, the correct answer was negative 0.75. Now I understand I can use that to figure out what's going on. I will point out with graphs, there is a little hourglass symbol. If you want to make it bigger, you can click this. And so if you need a little more detail, you can see it that way. So now I'm going to go ahead and say try similar question. I got a new problem to try. I have 3 brand new attempts, 97 retries again, left to go. I will say your homework settings may not have 99 attempts, but so check up here. This is how you know what you have available to you. That being said, they are all for full credit. So if, at least with my policy, if you're watching this video and you're not in Professor Dork's class, maybe you have a different policy, but my policy is full credit, doesn't matter when you get it, just get it. So now I want to get one right. So let's actually do this problem. The average rate of change from 1 to 5. Well, that just means the same thing as slope. So I'm going to go from the point 1 to 5, and so that's rise over run. So I'm going to rise 2, run 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 over 4. So 2 over 4, not 84, 2 over 4. That's the same thing as 1/2. The system is smart. It knows that is equivalent. It's going to mark you correct. So if you say it's marking me wrong, but I had the right answer, read the directions, Did it tell you it had to be reduced? Did it tell you it had to be simplified? Did it have to be rounded? Whatever it might be. If it is equivalent and the directions didn't say otherwise, it should mark you correct. Feel free to reach out to me. Message your instructor. I'm glad to look at it. So we got that one right. I now have 1 point out of 1 out of 1. I have 2 more reattempts, but I have it right. So we're going to move on. Now you will see there are other problems that maybe have multiple answer blanks. Now the neat thing about our upgrade is you can do them one at a time. So let's say part A, you need to do part A before you can do part B. And you need to get part A right. Well, great. Do part A. Get it right. Nope. Oh, shucks. And you'll see up here at the right, you'll see it tells me now I have 1 to 3 tries remaining. And if you go into the details, you'll see it shows me, oh, on part 1, I have 1 more attempt. On part 2, I have 3 more attempts. I'm going to try this one more time. I hope I get this one right. Oh, whoops, that was the same thing I put in the last time. Let's go with 0. Shucks, I got it wrong. But I can see my answer. The answer was 40. And I can use that information to help me with part B. Let's see. I think that's going to be it for this. Yeah. So nonetheless, I hope you like the new system. I hope you find it helpful. You'll see there are all sorts of different problem types. There's multiple choice. There's multiple select, where you select all that are true. So just go through slowly. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your professor to understand how to do those types of problems. That being said, the last question I always get is, how do you submit when you're done? Well, if you have a green check, you've submitted. You could blow up your computer right now, and you will still have that 1 point. So you can just click back to the main page, and you will see it has now been submitted. And it will show you, if you put your mouse over it, it says that you have a score of 9.1. So you can quickly check your grades this way and see if everything is completed. Okay, I hope that helps you understand how to navigate your homework.